Hello, Virgo. Welcome to your monthly reading for June. This is a general reading for Virgo, Sun, Moon, or Ascendant. Again, it's a general reading, so take it as it resonates. It won't resonate with all of you. I've already cleared my space, shuffled and cleared cards. I've infused with Reiki, and I'm ready to get started. I'm going to begin by drawing an oracle from the Work Your Light Oracle deck. And then I will lay down tarot from from Guardian of the Night by M.J. Cullinane. And then clarify with the Pagan Cat. And then, of course, in closing, I'll pull another oracle and a ring. Thank you for joining me, Virgo. Let's see what Spirit, God, Creator, what does the universe have for Virgo for June? I hope, I try to keep these relatively short, but the last two readings I've done have been so long. I don't know how long yours will go. We shall see. Here we go. The ever unfolding rose, cracked open. It's happening for you, not to you. Oh, interesting. I'm going to look that up. The ever unfolding rose. I gotta find where to find that. The ever unfolding rose. The challenge of life is to keep your heart open when you want, when you most want to close it, to let life crack you open, to open through hurt and loss, to allow what is falling away to fall away. Being human is a courageous act. A life well lived is full of losses and tragedies as much as triumphs and adventures. Wherever you find yourself at the moment, life is coaxing you to keep your heart open, no matter how much it hurts, to continually unfold, to let life crack you open. Perhaps you're going through a difficult time right now. Instead of cursing the difficulty, see it as a blessing, to open yourself up to the truth that perhaps, as hard as it may be, life is happening for you, not to you. One day, in the not too distant future, you may just bless the thing that broke you down and cracked you open because the world needs you open. Now is the time to go gently, to treat yourself like a tender, sweet baby. To wrap yourself in a blanket and trust that the mother has, I can't read today, that the mother has you cradled in her arms. Sorry guys, I'm tripping over my tongue here. The seas may not all be smooth sailing, but you are safe and you are held. One day, not too far from today, you will look back at the transformation and be blown away by the poetry of life. Everything is going to be okay. Everything's going to be okay. Okay, let's trust the universe. Everything happens for a reason. I know we all hate hearing that, but usually that is definitely the case. It could lead us to a better place when things we're in a hardship, a trial, we're going through something painful, but in the end, when we get further on our path and we look back, we realize that it was for our own good. Let's see what the Knight of Pentacles. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, and then very trustworthy here in the Knight of Pentacles. The Seven of Pentacles. Look at this spider. All the webs creating her pentacles. Look at how much you've created, how far you've come. Like the Knight of Pentacles, slow and steady wins the race. It may not be moving quickly, but you are making progress and you are successfully creating. And then the Ten of Swords. Oof. Ew. Okay. We have a mother in a nest. We have these birds here. And then we have this dead baby bird with the 10 swords. An end to something. Maybe this was your project. This was your baby. And it didn't work out. Well, we'll find out. We'll clarify. Let me keep going here. This was something that you considered it your baby. This was something close to your heart. It came to an end, an ending. The Fool and a new beginning. Where there's an ending, there's a new beginning. No. Wow. Okay. There we go. What else do we have, please? All right. The Eight of Wands, things falling into place, movement in the right direction. Things are happening. There may have been this ending, but it just brings you into this new beginning where things really begin to fall into place for you. The Eight of Cups. The Eight of Cups now. Moving on. What are you moving on from? This is moving on from that disappointment, that ending, whatever it is. The Six of Cups. Yeah. This has a bit of nostalgia to it. Somebody from the past coming in. Memories. It also could indicate a need to get back to that playfulness. Tap into that inner child. Relax a little bit. Find the time for play. Let's keep going here. Okay. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Independence. Security. One more card, please. the Queen of Swords. She is very intelligent and wise in her decisions, and her takes decisive action. She doesn't allow her emotions to get the best of her and control her and hinder her progress. At the bottom of the deck, look, we have the Sun. Time to shine. Joy, radiance, success. It is your time to shine. This is coming in for you. Success is coming in for you. There may have been an end to something. It might have been a betrayal. Perhaps somebody close to you that you trusted somehow betrayed you, and it caused you pain. But this ending, whatever it is, created this opportunity for new beginning, new adventure. Here you are as the Fool, taking the leap of faith, stepping out. Let's clarify this Knight of Pentacles here. Wow, okay. The King of Cups. The King of Cups. Make your decisions from your heart. The King of Cups is in touch with his intuition and his emotion. He is a peacekeeper. He's supportive. Now we have the Page of Cups. This is positive. This is a message. A love message. This is it's definitely a positive offer. Let's Ooh, I'm getting an ultimatum. A positive offer. Let's keep going here. Maybe a choice that you're, let me. Okay. And now we have the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. Okay. Don't be overpowered by your emotions. Use your intellect. The Queen of, the Queen of Swords. Ugh. Bold, honest, sharp, intelligent. Intelligent. Tap into your intelligence. Be wise. I'm sorry. My dog is barking at the mailman. Oh. Because the mailman has squeaky brakes. Funny. Okay, Slow and steady wins the race. Nine of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the Page of Cups. There's an offer of sorts here. I'm gonna take one more clarifier here on this. Gain wisdom, clarity, intelligence, and now he's gonna bark. I can hear him because the window's open. Okay, let's try that now. Another clarifier, please, here. Oof, heartbreak. Look at this. Ah, all right. So I did get ultimatum. So possibly somebody's coming in with some kind of offer. Could be relationship-wise, could be a marriage offer or something. They want to go the next step in the relationship, and perhaps you're not ready. Perhaps somehow, how I want to say paint or get off the ladder. Or perhaps you're the one making the offer and you're jilted here. Somebody's coming in with an offer and it is being perhaps rejected. And there's a heartbreak. But you have the Seven of Pentacles. Assess the situation. Look at how far you've come. Look at what you've created here. Let's clarify. Maybe it wasn't even a love offer. Maybe it was a business offer to go into partnership and it was rejected. Some ultimatum, I don't know why I get ultimatum. It just popped into my head that it was something that somebody wants to go to the next level. Somebody wants some sort of commitment possibly, and the other is not willing or not at that place. And this is creating this wounding. All right, let's clarify. We have the Six of Swords. Gathering yourself, moving on. Moving on from the wounding. Moving forward. Let's see what else we have here. Taking the time to recover, to rest, to heal, gain perspective, nurturing yourself here, as Four of Swords. Oh wow, and then we have this Five of Wands. Fighting frustration. Maybe you're frustrated, or the other person, whoever has been jilted, is frustrated. You need to recover from that. Take the time. To recover, to overcome, to deal with this ending. Wow, Five of Pentacles now. Feeling left out in the cold. Feeling abandoned, possibly. The Devil. Are you letting this hold you in bondage and keep you from moving forward and beginning new on a fool's journey? That new beginning. That's funny. I just did Leo's reading, and it was kind of like, it was about release and beginning new. Okay, let's and here we are with the Four of Cups. He's lounging under the tree. The tree is in bloom. He sees the cup being offered, though. He's not unaware of the cup that is coming in. So be aware. Don't be held in bondage to this. Do the healing work necessary. Spend the time that you need in recovery. because there's another opportunity that will present itself, and you need to be aware of that. And take this leap of faith. The Fool card. Let's clarify this. Perhaps you've already been through this heartache and you're working through this. Let's see what we have here. And then we have the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups. Romantic and dreamy. Something... yeah. Possibly there's something better here. A better opportunity for you to step into. Wow, my dog is being so obnoxious. Here we go. Leaving the past behind. Leave it behind. Turn your back on that past heartache. Step forward in faith. That opportunity that's coming in. This is a new emotional possible beginning for you. Look, the Ten of Pentacles, yeah. Abundant, rewarding, happy home life. So whatever this was here, it just wasn't meant to be. There's something better on the horizon. Believe, take that leap of faith. Leave behind the past. Turn towards the future. Do the mending. The State of Wands, things falling into place for you. Things coming in, movement in the right direction. And the Sun. Success, abundance, fulfillment, shining your light. It's your time to shine. Perhaps whatever this was, it just wasn't right for you because maybe it dimmed your light. And this new that's coming in for you is going to help light you up, give you the freedom to shine that light. It is going to support that. And then we have here the Queen of Pentacles, abundance, independence. She is nurturing, earthy. Maybe that's your person, is nurturing and earthy. Is offering up security. Wow. Okay. We have the world. Sharing your gifts with the world. Fulfilling your purpose. You've completed the cycle. You've learned your lessons, you've done your healing, you've gained the faith, the perspective, and stepped into who you are, shining your light. Yeah, this Eight of Cups, which is walking away from what no longer serves, moving on. Get over that sense of rejection, abandonment, loss, so that all this positive energy can come in for you. The Magician. Things are aligned. Heaven and earth aligned. As above, so below. You have the magic to create the life you want to create. The universe knows what's best for you. Things are working out according to what is in your highest good. Trust that. Be open to the blessings that the universe is bringing in for you. Look at this. Set your sights on your passion. Decide, are you willing to make the commitment to move forward in your heart's desires instead of going backward? Moving forward. Continue to move forward. Gain the clarity and take action to claim victory. Look at this. He's won the crown. He's being blessed. His blessings coming down from heaven. Gain the clarity and the wisdom you need. We have the Six of Cups here. The Six of Cups. Remember the good times. Perhaps get in touch with that playfulness, that inner child. Spend some time enjoying what Spirit is doing in your life. We have the Knight of Wands. This is excitement. This is passionate movement, action. So whatever is coming in, it is passionate. Perhaps this new person coming in, this new, it's something passionate. It's it just looks to me like this is a relationship reading, so that's kind of the way I'm taking it here. It just seems as though this knight coming in, this is a more passionate, there's more passion, more fire in this relationship than what was lost here. I suppose it doesn't have to be a personal relationship, a love relationship. It could be a friendship, a work partnership. I don't, let's just keep going here. Look at that. The Empress, tapping into that creative energy, that powerful creative energy that is within you. What are you trying to birth? Take that passionate action. Birthing something new. And the Star, hopes and dreams fulfilled. New hope. Yeah. Very positive. Moving in a more positive direction now. We have this Nine of Pentacles, this security, strength and confidence. And the Four of Pentacles. Strong foundations. The Emperor. Taking your power back. So whatever this new, whatever's coming in, this new offer, opportunity, this relationship, it puts you in a place where it allows you to shine and step into your power. Definitely something better. And then we have the Six of Pentacles again. It's balanced. There is reciprocal energy, an equal give and take, a balance of the energies. One is not taking more than the other. There's a balance within the relationship. And we have this Queen of Swords, this wisdom, this intelligence, this clarity, honesty. And the Seven of Cups. Pay attention to your dreams. This cat is dreaming of all these cups. Pay attention to your dreams. They could give you some insight into the situations that arise, the things that come up. Let's take another clarifier. Strength. Tap into the inner strength. Tap into your inner strength. Have courage. Pay attention to your dreams. They could offer up some insight that you need. And then we have the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely something coming in on a financial level here. I really believe whatever this new relationship is, this is a stronger relationship. It's built on strong foundations. It's built on that reciprocal energy, that equal give and take, trust, honesty, relying on each other for that strength, the support that you need. Doesn't matter whether it's a personal love relationship or a friendship or a business relationship. This is all positive. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Two of Pentacles. Keeping things balanced, weighing things in the balance. There's a balance, an equal give and take. And again, remember we had the Sun card at the end of this one, shining your light. Beautiful reading. Despite the painful situation and the heartbreak and having to overcome that, you learn from that experience. And it brings in and opens you up to receiving something that is truly in your highest good and more blessed that the universe has for you. Let me pull an oracle now. Sisterhood of the Rose. Beauty and devotion. Priestess. I combined priestess and mystic. Okay. Beauty and devotion. Priestess, mystic, and teacher. 78. Sisterhood of the Rose. The Sisterhood of the Rose is a lineage of priestesses and mystics who devoted their lives to serving humanity and seeding light consciousness all over the earth. A cross-section of ancient lineages, it is the path of devotion and beauty. Walking this path means being devoted to seeing and creating beauty wherever you go. The rose symbolizes the heart and the sacred geometry of all life. You are being called to notice the beauty around you, particularly in nature, and hear the whispers of Mother Earth. You are being called to spend more time in nature, as all the ancient secrets live there. Mother Earth is constantly whispering, spend time admiring her creations, and you will be rewarded with insight and grace. You're being called to take a little more time to both notice the beauty that exists all around you and contribute to the beauty of the world in your own way. This could be through your own creations or in the little things like how you dress to picking flowers for your home. Every time you devote your time to creating beauty, you harmonize the planet a little more, and the shift in vibration can be felt. Surround yourself with beauty and create beauty wherever you go. Oh, how beautiful is that? So this learning cycle, this painful experience, opens you up and brings you into that place of creating that beauty, and spending time in that beauty. Here we go. Our rune is Gibo. This is gifts, blessings, generosity, balance. Fits with the reading, wouldn't you say? So enjoy the gifts that the universe has for you, and also be a gift to others. Shine your light. Shine your light. There are beautiful things coming in for you, Virgo. Trust that. Trust that. That's what I have for you. If you like the reading, hit the like button. If you wish to subscribe to the channel, there's a subscribe button. If you wish to be notified of future readings, then hit that notification bell and you'll be notified when I post another reading for you. I welcome all of your interaction. I welcome all of your comments. They do help promote the channel, so I really appreciate those. Thank you so much. Virgo, have a blessed month.